Why does the public prosecutor wear a robe? Judges, public prosecutors, clerks, and lawyers in the courtroom each wear a black robe with a white jabot during the court proceedings. According to historians, wearing a robe in the courtroom dates back to the period of Emperor Napoleon, which precisely prescribed in his laws and decrees how magistrates and lawyers were obliged to dress. The robe serves to prevent distinction in clothing, religious signs, and dissent. Each public prosecutor, judge, and lawyer wears a robe during a court proceeding to ensure that the particular party does not benefit or isn't disadvantaged by the quality of clothing worn by the public prosecutor, the judge, or the lawyer, or by the expression of a religious belief by one of the aforementioned. All of them are equal in terms of appearance. The clothes white and black weren't chosen randomly. Black symbolizes the rejection of vanity. The jabot's white color stands for neutrality.